guys, welcome back to Alecia at Home. You guys, I am bringing you along with a Sunday reset. We are doing all things reset, so we're starting with the grocery haul. You can see here some of the things that I have picked up. I am going to pinpoint some things that I picked up that are extra special to me and different from what I normally get, but you can see here these are just the normal type of things. We have fruit, we have meat, we have all of our replenishing starches and breakfast items. We have chicken salad and lots of different things. These protein gluten-free waffles, which are actually amazing. They taste really good if you're interested in some gluten-free waffles. Those pumpkin spice ones were amazing. And then I got some date syrup, just trying to find some more healthy alternatives. We have some Simply Mills banana nut muffins. We have all of our pantry items, jalapenos and mayo, our salad dressings and salsas, and all of those little filler items that you're going to need and you run out of weekly. And so I am again going to pinpoint some things that stand out. These are just veggies, frozen veggies. We love broccoli and spinach. We're trying to do some meal prep things, and so we got this amazing turkey salad. It's not chicken salad, it's not tuna salad, girl, it's turkey salad, and it has cranberries. And then these sausages also are amazing. We have our sandwich items and our shrimp. We're going to do that in a meal prep. Lots of salads, some salmon and ground beef options there in the back, and all of our Quest protein chips. That's going to be for me and hubby. Our almond milks and chocolate milks. I also found some really cool pretzels. These taste amazing, and they are dairy, nut, and gluten-free. They taste really good if you're looking for something like that. I picked up a little crunchy bite because I love these things in my salad. I haven't tried these particular ones, but they look like they're going to be very good. I also picked up lots of grapes because, girl, they got seeds now, and you know how I feel about the seeded grapes. They always have the seedless grapes in stock, but when they pick up the seedless ones, I definitely like to stock up on that. I got lots of keto, low-carb option breads. These particular breads, the Nature's Own one was very soft, but the Udis, I had never tried that before, and girl, it is hard as a rock. I don't know how to make it soft, even though it says soft, so I don't know. We'll have to pass on that one next time. I got Greek yogurt, and yeah, so you can see here everything that we did pick up. I picked up lots of these salad options. I don't normally do it, but these particular ones from H-E-B are my favorite. And so then that I was trying to go ahead and get some healthy alternatives and things to pick up that are quick for me and already prepared for myself and my husband. These taste amazing. They're always fresh. I always have the ability to pick dates far out so that they're not expiring quickly. But I also like the ingredients and the different things that they have inside of each little bag. We also picked up lots of smoothies because, girl, the smoothies are going to be for me in the morning. It's quick, it's easy, it's filling, and it's not, something that's going to weigh me. Now, I will say that one of these has like sweet potato in it. I believe it's the mango mandarin. I won't be getting that one again because I do not want any type of sweet potatoes in my breakfast. So I'll just stick with the bright-eyed and the green fuel. I always add in a banana and some extra greens in it anyway, but so these are my favorite to date. Now, these are some ice cream treats that I picked up for the kiddos and for myself. I did not like the keto zero sugar added pop. I thought it was going to taste something like a Haagen-Dazs or a Nestle Crunch bar, but the taste of it is very artificial, so I'm not going to be getting that one again. But the gelato pops by DB's, girl, I had to stop myself from eating the kids' treats because those were delectable. They're very, very good. The flavor on them, top tier. So I'll get these again for the kids. I went ahead and picked up the macaroni and the banana nut muffin bread mix, also gluten-free, and some cereal options. I got lots of these juice packs. We just get water, spring water, and we are able to put those flavors in our drinks. It works very good for us. Now, moving on to the next part of our day, we're upstairs. We're changing out our decor. I recently did a video that I will be posting here of me cleaning and refreshing the classroom after Christmas and taking all those decorations down and getting everything ready. So now what we are doing. So now what we are doing is decorating for Valentine's. This is something that we do. We do it for every season in our classroom. It keeps us vibrant and it keeps us excited and filled with zeal and ready to learn something new. So for Black History Month, Leap Year, and Valentine's Month, we decided to do Valentine's Day theme. I know there are so many other things we could have done, but we decided to go with one for love because, hey, we love learning, we love each other, we love school, and the kids really look forward to me doing this in our classroom. So this was a fun activity. We just traced the kids' hands, and then what we're going to do is write Bible scripture on it. We're going to search up the scriptures that have to do with love, and we are going to write those on there. And also we're going to use some of the hands to write words that we think go with Valentine's Day and represent what love and the love of Christ is. And the kids really enjoyed this project. So you guys, if you didn't know, my name is Alecia, and I do thank you for tuning in to my channel. I am a stay-at-home mother, an entrepreneur mother, as well as a homeschool mother, and I do this on a day-to-day. I am with my children basically 24 hours a day. I teach them, I nurture them, I love them, and also I have an Airbnbs that I do operate as well. I manage them, and then I have my cleaners that clean for me, but on occasion I do step in and clean them myself, so you will see those type of videos here. On this channel, you'll get to see lifestyle, you'll see home, mothering and nurturing, you'll see homesteading, you see our garden here, you'll see us cooking and cleaning and just all the things dealing with home. So that's hence the name Alecia at Home. If you would go ahead and give this a like and hit the subscribe button if you like this type of content. Also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I do post. It's going to help me out so much. And then if you do like the video that much and you know someone else that may like it, it would do me such a great pleasure if you would share this video also. So without further ado, let's get back into the video. So you guys, I just wanted to thank you so much for tuning in to this video. I hope that it was encouraging to you, coming along in a day in the life, a resetting video, just doing things with my children who I love so much, around my home, which I love so much, and just being me. So if you did like this type of video, thank you so much again for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed.